Push it. Is that Mama's camera? Where's your ball? Hi. Where's your toys? Where's your ball, honey? Where'd it go? I think it went in the hallway. Go look by your room. Yes, that's ball. Yeah, go look in your room. Let's go look. Where's the ball? There it is. There's the ball right there. Look. It's right here. There you go. That's Mama's room. Where's your room? Is this your room? Yeah. Do we need to open the door? Okay. Let's go in your room. What's in your room? Yay! There's your room. Oh, are you going to look out the window? You're going to look out the window? Oh, what's out there? Can you see outside? Yeah? Are you going to hide? No, son. Stop playing with that. You silly goose. Let's go find your toys. Let's go see. Where's your toys? Oh. Where's your toys? Oh, where's your toys? Where's your toys? Where's all your toys? Oh, those are your shoes. Those are shoes, yes. Shoes. Thank you. No, that's your glove. Put it down. Thank you. Socks, right. Socks. Where are you taking your socks? Is that where socks go? In the basket? Bless you. Bless you. Is that where the socks go? Where do socks go? Do socks go on your feet? Do the socks go on your feet? Put the socks back. That's your glove. Yeah, that's right. The glove goes on the hand. Good job. Where's your other glove? It's right there on the shelf. Turn around. Look. There you go. Do you want Mama's help? Can you put it on your hand or do you want Mama help? You got it. Okay, push. There you go. Yay, glove hands. What are we going to do with glove hands? Car, car, car. No, we're not going to go outside and car, car today. No, yeah, I know, but we do that with Daddy. Yeah, car, car, car. Uh-oh. Is that your gloves? They go on your hand?